This is a brand new 2014 BMW X3. This crossover has an 8-speed automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter inline 6-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, BMW apps, a rear-view camera, a heated steering wheel with audio controls, a sunroof, heated seats, high-intensity headlights, 12 strategically positioned speakers, commercial-free satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, a turbocharger, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: BMW Assist, Comfort Access, Cruise Control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, BMW individual composition, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, front multi-stage airbags, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, and the power rear liftgate can open and close at the push of a button. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.